That's right. So when you combine these with a green smoothie, you're really helping to support your body in a lot of different ways, because you know our soils are so depleted of nutrients after the industrialized agricultural industry, and they don't replenish all the vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals back into the soil the way they should. They just pretty much put enough in there, if they put anything in there, but they put enough in there to help the plants grow big and fast, but not healthy. And then, you know, people and farmers are pressured to use pesticides and herbicides, but that wouldn't be needed if the plants were healthy. If they're healthy, then there's a natural ecosystem and microbiome or you know, like an environment for, you know, the insects and the weeds to get taken care of naturally. So anyways, that's more like agricultural, like biology, but it's important. It's important. Boom, must have. Boom, there it is. Life. So this has a 30-day guarantee, money back guarantee. So basically, if you don't have more energy and vitality after 30 days, boom, you can get a full refund. Okay, so low risk. Again, folks, you can use this for energy, but also support your brain, joint, as well as muscle function, as well as help fill in the gap from what you don't get from your food, because the soils are so depleted. Even if you eat organic, vegan, whatever, still, this is an opportunity that we all have and have to make sure our body gets, because we're not getting it from our food. We ain't getting it from our food. All right, so let's talk about the iris. Is this what it's called? First of all, we're gonna move this to the side because this is important right here. This is a car diffuser, yep. Boom, right? Iris diffuser. Let's open it up. Excited. All right, so here's the little charging cable. I don't know what it is about packaging that makes you just kind of be like, ooh, you know. Maybe it's the novelty of it. It's just new and exciting. Alright, so, boom, there it is. You just, yeah, okay. Alright, so, how do you read the directions? Because clearly, I don't know how to open stuff. Alright, so this is what it looks like, just so you can see. Boom. Yeah. So you basically just, you know, plug it in here. This is the power thing, and you plug it into a USB part of your car, and then you open it. Oh, you just pull it off like that. You put some water up to, there's a little fill line right here. It's kind of hard to see. And then you close that, and then there is a light button here, and then there is a power button there, and some of the oils that I recommend from the kit. Clementine, citrus oils are really good for the car. Red mandarin, boom. You got kumquat. Well, let me smell that one first, because I don't know. Oh yeah, you want to use that in the car. That smells like citrus. They're like all citrusy. Hold on, let me smell the red mandarin. Let's see here. Yes. Matter of fact, yeah, just fill it up to here, the max line right here, and just put like one or maybe like one drop each of these in here. So maybe like 3 drops. Or you can use the lemon. I might just put one of all these. The lemon, the red mandarin, the kumquat. That's such an interesting name, by the way. Family show. Alright, and then clementine. Oh, hey. Oh. I'm falling for it. Okay, it's falling for me. Maybe not. Okay, but yeah, that's the diffuser. Cool, really compact. Car diffusers are amazing. And if doTERRA makes this like a, usually it seems like a lot of times doTERRA will roll out a 200-point special for the month and then make that product permanent depending on how it does. Got it. This is awesome. All right, and you know, I just want to end with kind of saying what the Loyalty Rewards program is, because I have gotten some feedback from some individuals who are like, this is just pure consumerism, Lance. What's up with that, right? There's people in other countries who are surviving with a lot less. And that's true, but the purpose of all of this is to not just help us survive, but we want to thrive, right? We want to live our best life, and really all these items help to replace what's in our bathroom, health, kitchen cabinet, and really allow us to have natural solutions within arm's reach, like literally, you know, like arm's reach, so that I don't just take stuff when it's, when I'm reacting, when I'm in a ditch. No, I use it when I'm well, which sounds kind of counterintuitive. It's like, why would I use supplements when I'm already well, Lance? It's because what we did to get well, we should do to stay well, because, you know, there's going to be external threats, stuff that pops up, you know, stuff in the air that, you know, is going to make our quality of life dip a little bit. And so, like I said, we don't want to wait till we're in a ditch to do something. We want to get well, stay well, and tweak and tweak and tweak so we can continue to upward trend our quality of life. And when our quality of life is higher, then we're able to live, again, our best life. And just, that's what it's all about. You know, we are living longer as folks in the US, and I'm going to speak specifically, the average life expectancy is like 79 years old, but are we living better? And that's the real question. So Loyalty Rewards program gives you discounts. I get 55% off all my oils, and again, it allows me to be proactive with regards to my health and what I need for that. And all these products are stuff that, again, that I'm basically just replacing, and it's a replacement cost, it's not an additional cost. And all this stuff I will use, whether it's in my car, whether it's in my shower, whether it's in my digestive tract, my green smoothies, you know, all that. Not this, but I take this separately. Yeah, the underpits, the pits, when you're in the pits, use this. Again, I like that smell. So good. And then I also recycle all of the cardboard and stuff as much as I can as well. So, you know, just trying to minimize impact on the world, trying to take care of my body, and most importantly, vote with my dollar. So every dollar that I spend, you know, I got a lot of free stuff this month. Like this was free, all 3 of these oils plus this. And I also got the free product of the month, which is lemon. So I forgot to tell you that, like, this was the free. So I got all this for free this month. And as a part of just the 200 point special and the 125 point special, and then obviously everything else is discounted, and I earn points on everything as well. So, you know, there's lots of benefits to the program, and I think the individual that I'm talking about, who was basically saying, hey, this is excess, it's not. And again, it's about thriving, not just surviving, and this has helped me so much. Like, my skin is clearer, my digestive system's been supported, like my energy, I have a lot more of it naturally, especially when I get enough sleep. That's kind of the big thing that kind of makes my energy dip. And then also my immune system's supported. Whenever I get a scratchy throat, like, oh my goodness, like apple cider vinegar water with lemon oil. Where's lemon oil? It's the truth. Like this. Oh my goodness. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Again, the Loyalty Rewards program is like a Costco membership, but basically it's online, and instead of a store manager, you have a wellness advocate like myself helping you out if you're new to doTERRA, or if you're already with doTERRA and are on LRP. Awesome job, continue with it, it's amazing. And basically, yeah, Costco membership, frequent flyer program with regards to the rewards that you get. So the more you fly with the airlines, similar concept, the more, you know, products you purchase to help with your health proactively, the more you're able to get back in reward product credits and then redeem for free oils. And so I just, you know, I'm gonna redeem those product credits for some free stuff, probably on my next order or the one after. I usually try to wait till I get about 100 points and then I redeem them. But yeah, this stuff, it's amazing. It's really great. I can say that I look forward to my shipments each month, and I definitely derive a lot of value and benefit because I actually understand the benefits and uses. And that's the other big thing. Like, you don't want this stuff to collect dust in the box it came in, right? You want to recycle this box and open it up and really understand the benefits and uses, which is probably why I have videos on every single product that doTERRA has. But also, you know, just learning from the person who enrolled you is going to be really important as well. And again, it's like Christmas in a box. It's like Christmas in a box, Christmas in October, or whatever month it is, and it's awesome. Alright, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you got some value out of today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video. That's right.